Hello friends, I am A. Mohammad Mubin, class of 12th in Agastya Vidyalaya Matriculation Higher Secondary School. In this video, we should learn about the preposition and its types and prepositional phrases. Let us start about the terms of preposition. First thing, we should learn what is preposition. Preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or a pronoun and some other word or element in the rest of sentence, and it shows the relationship between a direction, time, place, location, spatial relationship, or to introduce an object. You see the figure what is preposition, you should clearly understand about the term of preposition. For example, the book is on the table. Here, on is a preposition. You see the figure, the book is settled top of the table. So we use the preposition on, and this is called as a preposition. And the next thing, we should discuss what is the types of preposition. The types of preposition is depend upon the three categories: when, where, and which direction. The first category, when. In when, that depends on preposition of time. The preposition of time that have many words. I give some words only like on, in, at, before, after, from. And the second category, where. In where, that depends on the preposition of place. In preposition of place that have many words, but I give some words like under, above, in, on, at, against, and along. And the third category, which direction. In which direction, it depends on preposition of direction. And the preposition of direction that have many words, but I give some words only like to, into, of, from, and across. Let us see examples of types of preposition in category wise. In first category, when. After dinner we ate dessert. Here after is a preposition. Class begins at 7 am. Here at is a preposition. The laptop is in my backpack. Here in is a preposition. The lecture lasts from 1:30 pm to 3 pm. Here from is a preposition. This four preposition depends on the preposition of time, so it becomes the first category. And the second category, where. The cat is under my chair. Here under is a preposition. The coconut was high above our heads, so nobody could reach it. Here above is the preposition. He threw the glass against the wall. Here against is the preposition. The path led along the river. Here along is a preposition. This four preposition depends on the preposition of place, so it becomes the second category. And the third category, which direction. He comes from France. Here from is the preposition. We walked across the street. Here across is the preposition. Mubin walked into the house. Here into is the preposition. The dog fell off the couch. Here off is the preposition. The monkey jumped onto my computer. Here onto is the preposition. This five preposition depends on the preposition of direction, so it becomes the third category. Here some of the preposition list given in this picture. I said some words only: on, during, behind, regarding, throughout, until, like, following, above, without, against, and etc. And the last thing, we should discuss what is prepositional phrases. Prepositional phrases is defined as a group of words containing preposition and that modifies the object, like noun, verb, gerund, and are noun phrases. For example, the army is on the move. Here in this picture, the army men are moving, and in this sentence, on is the preposition. And the preposition word on that modifies the object, the move. So this is called as a prepositional phrases. Let us see some examples in prepositional phrases. The first example, she is on leave until the end of the month. Here, on is the preposition. That preposition modifies the verb leave, so that is called prepositional phrase. And next we take third example, never tell tales out of school. Here off is the preposition and that preposition modifies the noun school, so that is called prepositional phrase. And we take ninth example, the tiger crept slowly over the grass. Here over is the preposition. That preposition over modifies the noun the grass, so that is called prepositional phrase. And next we take 10th example, the rabbits hoped through the garden. Here through is the preposition. That preposition through modifies the garden noun, so that is called prepositional phrase. And next we take 6th example, the apple trees are in full bearing. Here in is the preposition. That preposition in modifies the full bearing, the gerund, so that is called prepositional phrase. In this video we see preposition, types of preposition and prepositional phrases. I hope you are all understand about the preposition, types of preposition and prepositional phrases. Thank you friends, and once again thank you.